Hi guys, welcome back to another fishing video, and I'm fishing on a bavo and a small hook using a worm, and I'm out here on this beautiful lake and I'm gonna be targeting bluegill and bass. So I've got the worm on the hook and I'm gonna get the first cast of the day. Let's see, what's the bavo? Because there's a lot. Oh, did you see it? Did you see the bite? What's the bavo? Fish on! First fish of the day with the first cast. Let's see. It's nice pumpkin seed bluegill. So I'm gonna take the hook off. Good that it didn't swallow it a lot. Nice safe release. Here we go. And now back in the water. First fish of the day. So I'm gonna put it right back where it was. Let's see. Could we catch a bigger fish? Watch. Oh, we had a bite. Did you see? Oh. Another fish instantly, a bit smaller. Let's see, let's unhook him. Oh, pretty feisty. Nice pumpkin seeds. I could also catch a bass here, which I hopefully do. So let's see. I'm gonna hook the worm a bit better. I'm just using a small piece of the worm. And then I'm gonna cast back out. Watch, what's the bavo? Instantly. Oh. Bigger fish. Ooh, another pumpkin seed, a bit bigger. Let's see, let's unhook him. He's feisty. Let's see. Oh, let's let him stop jumping. Now I'm gonna unhook him. And that's 3 casts, 3 fish. This is why this lake is so good. And I'm gonna put it right back with the same worm. Let's see. Watch the bavo go down instantly. Let's see. Watch it. 3, 2, 1. Bavo down. Oop. Bavo down. Another fish. It's a baby bass. Look at this baby bass. First bass of the day. But he's very small. This is my personal smallest bass. Oh! Here we go. Ouch. Wait. Oh. Here. Let's grab it. This is my big bass. Giant bass. Let's toss this giant bass back out. And put the worm back on. And that's ready. Like 1 bass and like 4 blue pumpkin seeds. Let's see, what's the bavo? And watch it, it's moving. Let's see. It's either they might have stole my worm. Let's see. Let's move it a bit. And what's the bavo? Why aren't there any fish biting? Oh yeah, they stole my worm. So now I'm gonna put the worm, another worm on. I'm just ripping off a small piece. And I'm gonna attach it to the... I'm using a size 8 hook. It's the best for here, fishing here. So now I'm gonna wash my hands from the worm. I also bought my kayak and I'm gonna go fishing on it soon. And now, let's get to fishing. I'm gonna put the worms back in the shade so they didn't expire. Let's see. How quick will we get a bite? And bavo down. Oh, bigger fish. Another fish. Oh, he snagged. He got snagged. Let's see. Let's unhook him. How did that happen? Oh, let's see. Let's unhook him. Nice and easy. Now let's toss him back in. And now let's toss the worm back out. 3, 2, 1, bavo down. Oop. He went off. Let's hook the worm a bit better. Here. Let's see. Let's cast it back out. Oh, Nah. Let's see. Oop. The bow is moving. Let's hook the worm a bit better because they'll keep on falling off. So here. It's so fun fishing with a worm here. It's basically you catch a fish on every bite. Let's see. Back out. Oop. Let's see. He came off, sadly. Let's see. Oop. Had a bite. Let's see. He's biting. Oh, bigger fish. He got snagged again. On the eye. Oh. Let's see. It's not that bad. So here, let's toss him back out. Now let's... You don't need to cast it out foul. It's like right next to shore is the best spot. Oop. Oh, I have a very small fish on. Let's see. Watch the bubble go down instantly. Oop. These fish are pretty small. I caught some big bass here, just around down there. But first I'm gonna... Oop. So fun, let's see. Watch it go down instantly. Let's see. Oop, bite. Let's see. Let's cast it down here. There's like, you could see some lilies. So the fish are hanging out around them. Oop. Had a small bite. Oop. Oop. They're biting. Let's see. Let's toss them here on a very good spot. You could see there's like already fish. I'm gonna just cast it out there. And about instantly the bow should go down. Watch it. See, it's moving. Oop. Fish on. Bow down. Oop. Let's see what it is. Another pumpkin seed. Let's see. Okay, let's unhook him. He ate the hook a lot. Let's see. Could we get it out? Oh, I have to get the pliers. So let's see. I'm gonna go get the pliers. So I unhooked him and he swam right off. Let's see. So I'm gonna get the hook back, the worm back on the hook. So here. And now let's catch another fish. Let's see. I'm looking if I could see any fish down here. But I'm gonna cast right there. What's the bubble? Cast. Right there. Perfect cast. What's the bubble? Let's see. Let's wait. I think it's tangled. Yeah, there's a bit too much seaweed on the hook. I need to take the seaweed off the hook. I'm gonna move the weights back up and hook the worm a bit better. So here, now I'm gonna cast it back right out there. You see there's a little fish down there. Oh, fish on. Another blue pumpkin seed. It's a pretty bigger one. I'm waiting until I could catch a big bass. Here, so let's unhook him. So here we go. Let's grab him. And let's release him. Perfect release. Now let's toss the worm back out. There's a lot of like house flies. They'll keep on buzzing around my head. Let's see. I'm going to toss it a bit out deeper, because that would be a better spot. Watch the bubble. Let's see. Will we catch a fish? Let's see, I'm going to reel it in a bit. Let's see. Oop. Oop, fish on. He came off. And he ate my worm. Let's put another worm on. I got the worm back on. And let's toss it back out. Comment down below what's your favorite fish to catch. Let's see. Oh! Another fish. Oh, it came off. Let's toss it out back deep. I'm looking if I see any like big fish. It's very clear out here. Watch it. It's gonna go down instantly. Let's see. Oh, fish came off. Let's see. I think they ate my worm. Yes, they ate my worm. Let's put on another worm. Here. Let's grab our worm out of my worm box. One's ready. Let's see. Let's grab the hook. And I'm gonna put him on. I'm gonna wash my hands after the worm. And now let's toss the bait back out. Oh, there's some big fish down there. You could see them swimming. Let's see. Could we get a bite? Oop. Yep. Oop. Fish on. Oh. Another pumpkin seed. And he took my worm. Now, let's unhook him. And put him right back into the water. And another safe release. So now I'm gonna cast it back out next to the lilies. Let's see. Oop. I had a bite. Let's see. And it stole my worm. So I'm gonna put the worm back on. Yeah. I'm gonna take a small piece of the worm and hook it on the hook twice. And now I'm gonna just cast it back out. So, right there. Hopefully we get that fish to bite. Oh, had a bite. Oh, fish on. Let's go. So now I'm gonna unhook him. So here. Now I'm gonna toss it back out. Now I'm gonna put the worm on a bit better. Here. Unhooked. Let's see, could we catch another fish on this worm? I'm gonna just toss it back out to where the fish are jumping. So like that. See. Oh, I had a bite. Let's see. Oh, fish on. That's a pretty small one. And he ate my worm. So now I'm gonna unhook him. So now I'm continuing walking down the bank. I'm pretty sure I saw like a pretty big fish jump over there. Let's see. I'm gonna move closer. Right here. So I'm gonna toss it towards the lilies. Oh, fish on. He came off. Let's see. Could we catch the big fish that just jumped here? Right next to the lilies. Small fish. Let's see. Oop.
They'll keep on coming off the hook. They must be very small. Let's see. Yep, fish on. Nice. Very small one. So let's unhook him. And I'm gonna put the other worm on. So now I'm done fishing for the trip. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next time.